One from Shah.
When I'm looking at, I want to respond to the Kamukoji that the health CS had with members of parliament yesterday. And when I was looking at it and reading to what was said and some of those parameters, I think that conversation was wasted on members of parliament and senators. That's a conversation that would have been had with governors, CC members, NCOs of health departments across the counties. Why? Because health is a devolved function. And when you need total outreach to the people across the country, you should be able to enable the structures that already exist to the primary level. Because if you look, let me give an example that I'm very aware of in our county. We have 176 health facilities across the county, including at the dispensary level, health centers, level 4 hospitals, and even a level 5 hospitals across the county. And in the past, I'm going to give an example in terms of registration. In the past 16 days, we had a campaign in Murang'a to register all Kangata Care beneficiaries. We had 40,000 households. That translated to around 160,000 individuals across Murang'a. When we did that, you know what we were doing? We were registering them in SHA. We were registering them and doing their mean testing so that they know what the county is supposed to pay for them, and they were in the system. So far, we have those registered. By within the coming week, we're also going to have, as we are recruiting another 20,000 households towards Kangata Care, we're also going to register them in SHA and also ensure that they are mean tested so that they also, we also get how much they are supposed to be paid.
Okay.
What this is supposed to be doing, because we were using the infrastructure of the dispensaries, the health centers, our digital system across the county, because every dispensary in Murang'a has a digital system connected to SHIF and connected to SHA. You tell the people, come to the nearest dispensary. We are going to have not only the nurses, we are going to have the clerks, we are going to have people from the county, employees who are working dedicatedly, not only to register, but also ensure that the registration is a success and mean testing is done.
All right.
When we use members of parliament and their offices at the constituency level, they have no idea. And because this is not their system, the county government, they are not the ones operating the system. There are certain issues that needs to be done when you have the members of, because these are the same people that you are supposed to provide these services to. Because, for example, one of the key indicators on how to fund dispensaries, the level 2s and the level 3s, is based on capitation, which means when you register people at the dispensary level, when they register at that level of that dispensary gets capitation based on the number of people who have registered in that dispensary, that health center. Okay. If you are not registering them at the health center level, where are we registering them at? And where are they going to get their primary care network from if it's not at the dispensary level? Okay. So what I am looking at here, I'm looking at, we want to communicate, but we are using the wrong means. And this is why I'm saying that devolved function is under attack. Without even, by mere operation of the national government on certain aspects, devolution is out of the way. Because how can you tell a member of parliament to go register people at the dispensary level, which is a devolved function? Yeah.
Okay. Let's look at the international scope, the regional scope rather. We have a new chairman of the EAC in the name of President William Ruto, and Kenya, of course, recently the Minister of Foreign Affairs marked the 60 years of the diplomacy in this country, and we have a lot that we've seen the president driving on matters, economy and everything else. What do you make about all this that is making the inroads, especially in the East African region?
Well, you know, now we're operating in the context of globalization of markets and production. So having the regional blocks is an important factor, and also the fact that President Ruto was elected the chairman of ESC is a good thing. However, from that meeting,